get going.
Did you get into their gyronets? Or their targeting modules?
My tools can
Let the man breathe. That watcher sent him
Darling,
flying.
it's very leather-like.
Did you see how far that watcher threw me? You not like that? Must have been 10 lengths.
Well, there's something for us.
Tried to climb up one, you madman!
Remember?
All sizes!
How else was I supposed to see the road?
Prices!
Greetings, citizen. I trust you are enjoying the city.
You aren't passed.
Sorry, chum, can't let you through. Worms Rock's closed for the day. Valeria? Well, I'm not messing about with a murder inquiry for damn sure. Straight ahead across the bridge. A blind ogre couldn't miss it.
Imagine seeing your watcher power up for the first time.
Darling, it's very leather-like.
Halt! We do not know how you gained entry, but your trespass shall not be punished. Lord Gortash has been expecting you.
The Watcher's presence fades, but another takes its place. Confident, dominant, commanding.
My most esteemed guest, we meet at last. I am Lord Enver Gortash. You are the prison bearer, slayer of the dread General Ketheric Thorm. I welcome you to Baldur's Gate, my city. It already is. Granted, there are a few formalities to complete, but, well, why don't you come and see? Allow me to formally invite you to my inauguration. Make your way to the ceremonial hall.
Gortash. We shouldn't have any more trouble from the guards. I've been seeing that for ages, and we're still here.
Not this again.
Gortash is expected.
The brain appears to be resisting its masters. It's acting of its own will.
A gith in my armory? I don't think so. This equipment isn't for sale. It belongs to the Flaming Fist. Fine. Keep your boots on. That lot of use that hunk of junk was.
Calm down, dear.
Enough waiting. I crave blood.
I can't let it glaze that Pizia. He wasn't even hurt.
The people used to respect.
That's why nothing's gonna happen to us.
Now they call for
We'll
the
tell them
Steel
what
Watch.
happened, and we'll be home in no time.
I spoke to a witness who says you entered the house before the
We've been
fire
seeing that for
started.
ages, and we're still here.
are they waiting for?
Hunk of junk stomping around.
I don't know, dear.
Listen when you've got flaming
I don't
fist.
know. All we can do is be patient.
Better. I almost believed you this time.
Could have hired 24 more fists for the cost of that thing.
Are they going to arrest us? What if they throw us in jail?
Let's rehearse this one more time.
Calm down,
Pretend
dear.
I don't
It
care
won't
how
happen,
many
I
names
swear.
What you were doing in
She
the
will
house.
ever replace the
Oh, I
fist.
can't really glaze that Pete, they are. He wasn't even hurt.
That's why nothing's gonna happen to us.
The
We'll
people
tell them what
used to
happened,
respect
and we'll be
the
home
fist.
in no time.
Now they call for the steel watch.
I spoke to a witness who says you entered
You've
the
been
house
saying that for ages,
before
and we're
the
still
fire
here.
started.
What are they waiting for?
I don't know,
Hunk of
dear.
junk stomping around.
I don't know.
Who needs them when you've got
All we can
flaming
do
fists?
is be patient.
Better. I almost believed you this time.
Could have hired 24 more fists for the cost of that thing.
Are they going to arrest us? What if they throw us in jail?
Let's rehearse this one more time.
Calm down, dear.
Pretend I'm
It
a
won't
fist
happen,
and
I
tell
swear.
me what you were doing in the house.
I don't care how many they
Oh, I
make.
can't really glaze that
She
Pete, they
will
are.
ever replace
He
the
wasn't even
fist.
hurt.
That's why nothing's gonna happen to us. We'll tell them what happened, and we'll be home in no time.
The people used to respect the fist. Now they call
been saying
for
that
the
for ages,
steel
and we're
watch.
still here.
Enter the house
What are they waiting
before
for?
the fire started.
I don't know, dear. I don't know. All we can do is be patient.
Hunk of junk stomping around. Who needs them when you've got flaming fists?
Better. I almost believed you this time.
Are they going to arrest us?
Could have hired
What if they throw us in
24 more
jail?
fists for the cost of that thing.
Calm down, dear.
Let's
It
rehearse
won't
this one
happen,
more
I
time.
swear.
Pretend I'm a fist
Oh, I
and
can't
tell
really
me
glaze
what
that
you were
Pete,
doing
they
in
are.
the house.
He wasn't even hurt.
Well,
I don't care how many
despite
they
everything.
That's why nothing's gonna happen to us.
Down the door.
We'll tell them what happened, and we'll be home in no time.
Somebody was in trouble inside.
You've been saying that for ages, and we're still here.
The people
What are they waiting
Like it's
for?
will be done.
fist. Now they call for
I
the
don't
steel
know,
watch.
dear. I don't know. All we can do is be
No
patient.
one's stopped me yet.
To say is that the witness must have been mistaken.
Jump around.
Better.
Flaming fists.
I almost believed you this time.
Are they going to arrest us? What if they throw us in jail?
Calm down, dear.
My faith
It
protects
won't
me.
happen, I swear.
Hired 24 more fists for the cost.
Let's rehearse this one more time. Pretend I'm a fist and tell me what you were doing in the house.
That's why nothing's gonna happen to us. We'll tell them what happened, and we'll be home in no time.
Down the door, because it sounded like
I wonder what the next move is.
somebody in trouble inside.
I've got a long road ahead.
I don't know, dear.
The people.
I
I
don't
spoke to a
know.
witness who
All we can do is be patient.
My friend means to say is that the witness must have been mistaken.
Are they going to arrest us?
Stomping around.
What if they
Better.
throw us in jail?
I almost believed you this time.
Calm down, dear. It won't
Lord
happen.
Gortash is expecting you. Please make your way to the audience chamber. Lord Gortash is expecting you. Please make your way to the audience.
If it isn't Little Will's chums. I hope he hasn't been too much trouble. Heard about his father. The Dead Three's puppet. A travesty, really. He's upstairs in Worm's Rock, ordaining Gortash as Archduke. A splendid shindig, I hear. Perfect for crashing. Go on up. We'll talk after. And bring the pup along, if you can. I'd hate for him to miss the fun.
Stand down, villain. In the name of the Steel Watch, aggressive action will not be tolerated in the presence of the patriarchs of this proud city. The Steel Watch appreciate your cooperation, citizen.
Dearest patriarchs, but a moment. I must greet a most honored guest. My friend, forgive the cold welcome. My Steel Watchers are eager watchdogs, for the good of the people. I'm sure you understand. Lord Enver Gortash at your service. I understand congratulations are in order. Thorm's defeat hasn't gone unnoticed. You're known for who you are and for that netherstone that you carry. You know, it takes all three to control the brain. Without Thorms, it's become vexingly willful. The Quakes are a clear warning. If nobody steps in soon, it'll free itself from the authority of the Crown. I expect it'll start with turning the Sword Coasts infected. You among them. A prison will last indefinitely. Next, the Grand Design. The Mind Flayer Empire reborn. If we're lucky, we'll become slaves. If we're unlucky, well, not the most thrilling of prospects, but it's a fate that can be avoided if you and I come to an understanding. Together, we can still restore authority over the brain.
Of course. Gortash always did have an eye for opportunity.
The likes of you stand to benefit from the likes of me. There's an old wisdom. A brittle alliance can never be mended. It can only break. With Ketheric gone, Orin proved treacherous. Baal's chosen wants the Netherstones for herself. She only cares for blood. And your blood and mine are of particular interest to her. Orin changes shape faster than you and I change clothes. You know, she's tricked you before. She's targeted me as well. I'm well protected, but she's extremely good at what she does. If Orin obtains all 3 Netherstones, she'll plunge the coast into chaos and paint the city in blood. I can't let that happen. I want to lead this city to glory, not scorch its earth. I'd like to propose a pact, a divine oath sworn upon spirit and flesh. I do no harm to you, nor you to me. Or you'll have nothing to fear from my steel watch while our pact stands. Thorm's stone is yours to keep. When you slay Orin and take her stone, you bring it here, so the 3 are united once again. Together we rule Faerun as kings. No, more than kings. Gods. We rule as the absolute. What do you say? Shall we be allies?
I can detect no deceit. This alliance could serve us well. And if it does not, well, we need not honor it.
An ally could be useful, at least for now. And when he's no longer useful, well, we can dispose of him then.
What a shame to refuse the power of a god. Perhaps a demonstration of why you need my help will motivate you to make the right decision. Your camp is compromised. One among you is an imposter, a faceless. Who, I can't say. I'd suggest a thorough investigation. You'll find I speak the truth.
A doppelganger, hidden among us. Squaw!
Let this be a warning. Orin is the spark in a powder keg. We make an alliance, or the city is made ash. I will give you time to reconsider.
Tread carefully. Remember, you must do what it takes to survive, even if it means striking a deal with the enemy.
Oh, but I most certainly am not. Now, come, be witness, as I make history as the first Archduke of Baldur's Gate. Then we proceed. The distinguished dukes, patriarchs, dearest Ravengard, I will heed your call. A new chapter begins.
Enver Gortash, swearest thou by Balduran's blade to defend the citizens of Baldur's Gate from enemies within and without?
I swear.
Swearest thou true faith and fealty to the same, by word, deed, and decree, so that none may suffer?
I swear.
Gathered guests, grant ye consent?
Don't. You will only invite his ire and your own death.
A traitor's words. He means to fracture this council.
Watchers, to arms! The war of the Absolute has begun.
Steel Watch, your time has come.
No time to waste.
Not Lae'zel!
A little help, please.
Enver Gortash, swearest thou by...
I swear.
Swearest gathered guests. Enver Gort...
My friends, and you, honored guest, will find me in my office above when you return. Do not come empty-handed.
Archduke Gortash. Now there's a man who knows good business.
What did I tell you? A momentous occasion. And to think, the drama's just started. You see, Gortash has had Will's father relocated. I'm just an impartial observer. This is Gortash's game. A murderous one, the way I hear it. Ravenguard's good as dead. And to think, there's no way to save him. Or is there? I know enough. Let's talk to Will in your camp. Work something out. The Duke's life depends on it.
Forgive me. What was her name?
How many times do I need to say it? You sent word about a lead, said that I should come see you about it.
Of course, madam. Let me just... Forgive me. Why are you here?
Is this some kind of sick joke? Do you have any idea what I've been through these past few days? My daughter Vanra, my little girl, she's missing. This stupid, useless fist said she had a lead, but she must have been stuck in Dream Mist or something.
Madam, tell me. You said... she was... taken from a tavern?
You catch the barest tendrils of magic coiled around the flaming fist.
Yes, the blushing mermaid down by the docks I told you 100 times. Why aren't you listening?
Someone or something has tampered with her memory.
What were we discussing?
What is happening? I feel like I'm going mad!
Nonsense, I'm fine. Madam, tell me why you're... here, and I will assist.
God, you're right. Something's wrong with her. Can you help me? I've no family, and Vanra's father isn't around. The Flaming Fist was my last resort. I'm so afraid. I'm so tired. I've been looking night and day everywhere I could. You will? Thank you. I haven't slept or eaten since she disappeared. I'm terrified something has happened to her. Her name is Vanra. She's 7 years old and has red hair, like me. We were in the Blushing Mermaid when she was taken. Just up by the docks. No, unless you count a couple of old drinking mates at the next table. But they'd be no help. They barely remember their own names. If I was sober, though, I swear, I stop in the maid for a drink sometimes. But it was only a quick one. Thank you. I'll head home. Can't stand being around these idiots any longer. Come find me the moment you hear anything.
We can come back another time if you ain't feeling up to it.
Let's see what Warrior has to say.
This is out and out madness!
Storm, help us. What do we do?
You know the folding orchestra? I told you you should have added pictures.
Go on then.
Hello? Does anyone want to buy a gazette? Thank you.
How are we gonna support ourselves, huh?
My thoughts exactly. You're sentencing us all to a slow death.
Please, sir. We have children. We need to be able to provide them.
not my concern. Not like we can even turn around and leave now. Absolute henderson.
You really won't feel it.
Not a thing. Come to have a go. Give it your best shot.
An air of decay hangs over the stooped beggar's form. The smell of rot, the smell of death.
Gold first. Then you can hit me. It's not a flat fee. You pay per punch, mate. Faster you hit, faster I make coin. So, you having a go or not? You don't pull your punches, do you?
Only way to raise awareness is that bloody Baldur's Mouth Gazette. Editors there.
Back for more? I don't mind. So long as you're paying.
Busted her skull. I didn't see her make no trouble.
I know her. That's Goldstone. She's no thief.
We stand with you and for you. Our lives are
Are the gods truly this petty?
What do I think of Lord Gortash's Still Watch? Well, I am so glad you asked, Edvard. No. Gotta keep him safe.
You'll not find any here.
Hey, cut it out, will you? I've got deliveries to manage.
Well, well, if it isn't the city's next celebrity. You star in our next edition's top story. Well, you should have considered that before disgracing yourself in public. Trafficking refugees into our city is hardly a good look, especially when so many are absolutists and murderers. The truth will be out with tomorrow's broadsheet. People will spit in your face. Your very presence will be bad for business. You'll be a pariah, an outcast, as you should be. And then, we can only hope the Fist do their duty and escort you to the gallows. Your days of scumming up this good city streets will be over. I'm not afraid of you. Lord Gortash is a passionate champion of the journalistic arts. Attack me, and you face the Steel Watch. The headlines are loaded into the print works already. Tomorrow, you will feel the power of free speech. Vox Populi, Vox Dei. Now, guards! I believe our distinguished guest was just leaving. Would you care to escort them out?
We give thanks. We know you will drive back the ark to the house and raise our city to its pinnacle.
Can't give up now.
We stand with you and for you. Our lives are yours, and our endings are forfeit.
used to do such a good job running the Gazette.
You shall bring us, children of the king, into the light. Going to die.
The Upsol Tavern. I wonder if my old boots are still there. They could be of use to you.
Damn rats. Oi, you! I thought I asked you to clean the rats out of this cellar yesterday already. Up to it! Get in there! No, I need them rats taken care of. Here's the deal. I'll keep a lookout for murderers. You murder the rats!
Look, Tambourine. A servant comes to help us. Kill those rats, would you? When they're dead, the other servants will feed us.
The cellars are just down the stairs. There, you'll find my old lodgings.
Shall we dance?
Got to focus.
Time to push my luck again. least things have stayed interesting.
On the other side, you'll find a passageway, known only to those invited to do business.
Vlaakith's forces are near.
Githyanki. Vlaakith has found us. Get rid of them, quickly!
Lae'zel, glad you could join us. The Kithraki have spread word of that artifact that you carry. Tell me, Lae'zel of Kalir, what reward do you think the Astral Prism will fetch once I pluck it from your corpse and present it to Vlaakith? What honors, what riches will the Undying Queen grant me when I hand her the failed prince?
Stand down. I protect the prism on our queen's behalf.
The Undying Queen cares not for who delivers her the prism and the traitor prince within. All that matters is that it is delivered. The false heir's head will make a fine trophy for Vlaakith. As for you, I will leave nothing behind but meat and shattered bone. Tuskfar! You faithless snake! Gith's wretched son will be the fall of the Githyanki. Shamar Zala Vlaakith!
Taking position.
Over here. Nothing will stand in my way. Light on my feet.
Vire.
Still on my feet. And loudly. Have to keep going. Good idea, I think. the slaughter.
In my best interest.
Stay idle.
Let's end this.
This is worth the cost.
Vlaken is relentless. You handled it well. Let us hope she exhausts her forces soon. Now search the room. There's a statue that conceals the way through. I'll reveal it to you.
I'm exhausted. Better find somewhere to camp soon.